We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the KSIPZE 100 feet LED strip lights RGB music sync color-changing Bluetooth LED lights. This product has garnered significant attention for its extensive length, vibrant colors, music synchronization, and smart app control. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The KSIPZE LED strip lights come with a 100-foot length, making them suitable for decorating large areas such as bedrooms, kitchens, ceilings, and living rooms. The lights are designed for indoor use and are powered by a corded electric source. They offer a wide spectrum of 16 million colors, adjustable brightness, and multiple modes such as flashing, jump, and fade with customizable speeds. The Bluetooth connectivity allows control through a dedicated app as well as an IR remote, providing flexibility in how users interact with the lighting system. Installation is straightforward due to the strong adhesive tape on the back of the strip lights, enabling users to stick them onto clean, dry surfaces quickly. Most users report the setup process taking between 1 to 2 hours depending on the area covered. The lightweight vinyl material of the strips contributes to ease of installation and handling. The app control is praised for its user-friendly interface, offering a wide range of color options and the ability to sync the lights with ambient music via a built-in microphone. This music sync feature creates dynamic lighting effects that change color and pattern in time with the beat, enhancing party atmospheres or relaxing environments. Brightness levels are highly rated, with the LEDs illuminating rooms vividly while remaining energy efficient and cool to the touch. Users appreciate the ability to dim the lights for nighttime use without sacrificing color quality. The Bluetooth connection is stable and does not interfere with other Bluetooth devices, which is a notable advantage for users with multiple wireless gadgets. However, some users have noted that the included IR remote has limitations. It requires direct line of sight to the plug-in unit and offers fewer color options compared to the app. The remote's range is limited, and alternative remotes do not provide additional functionality beyond what the included remote offers. A few users have expressed concerns about the subscription requirement for accessing the Bluetooth music sync feature, indicating some confusion about whether a paid subscription is necessary. Despite this, the core features of color changing, brightness control, and timer settings function well without additional costs. The timer feature allows users to set automatic on-off schedules, which can be repeated on selected dates, adding convenience for daily routines or holiday decorations. Durability and adhesive quality receive positive feedback, with the tape sticking firmly to walls and surfaces without falling off easily. However, the longevity of the adhesive and the lights themselves over extended periods remains unconfirmed by newer users. The product is not water resistant, so it is recommended for indoor use only. A common warning among users is to avoid cutting the LED strips until the entire installation is complete. Contrary to some product images, cutting the strips prematurely can cause malfunction or loss of functionality in the affected sections. This caution is important to preserve the integrity of the entire length. Overall, the KSIPZE LED strip lights are considered a great value for the price, especially given the 100-foot length and the extensive customization options available through the app. The lights transform spaces with vibrant, bright colors and offer a fun, interactive experience through music synchronization. They are suitable for a wide range of occasions, including holidays like Christmas and Halloween, parties, weddings, or simply enhancing everyday home decor. The product's best features include its impressive length, bright and vibrant LEDs, easy app control, and music sync capability. The main downsides are the limited functionality and range of the IR remote, the potential subscription confusion for music sync, and the caution needed regarding cutting the strips. Installation can be somewhat challenging due to the length and adhesive handling, so having assistance is recommended. In conclusion, the KSIPZE 100 feet LED strip lights offer a compelling lighting solution for anyone looking to add colorful, dynamic, and customizable lighting to their indoor spaces. They deliver on brightness, color variety, and smart control, making them a must-have for modern home decoration and entertainment setups. Remember, the link to this product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. If you have experience with these lights, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others. This product stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking affordable, feature-rich LED strip lighting with music sync and app control capabilities.